here to enjoy the spirit of science with this robotized mechanic system. My topic is conversion of energy. As we know that reason, observation and experience is the holy trinity of science. Here I use things such as bracket, gearbox, battery box, wheels, shaft, nuts, bolts, screwdriver, etc. We know that a battery has a chemical energy in itself, and if we move the model, its chemical energy is converted to mechanical energy. Let me show and tell. Here we can see that the chemical energy of battery is converted to mechanical energy. Here we observe some sound, and there was also some of the heat produced between the wheels and the object below. So we can say that there is also sound energy and heat energy produced. Now we have seen that there was displacement from the model from here to there, and instead of this displacement we are getting some result. Result is the motion of the model. Now here I have used this model because it gives a wide variety of science experiments like force, energy, momentum, etc. Science of today is the technology of tomorrow. At last, with this belief, I conclude my presentation. Thank you.